were sitting at the buffet table. So we're gonna excited yan. Now for the first question, everyone who can tell me kung ano ang tawagan ni na Emil and Charlotte. Alright, come on, if you know the answer, please approach me here right away. What's the internet of the couple? Anong tawagan ni na Emil and Charlotte?
Wait.
Congratulations, we have our first answer. What table is that? Table number 9. Kaya naman pala maswerte kayo kasi nakinain yung table ninyo. Alright, thank you so much. I'd like to know, are you a friend or a family member of the couple? Ooh, okay. Couple's friend. Now, I'd like to know, saan ang dream destination nila Emil and Charlotte? Sorry? Australia is correct! We have another correct answer. Anong table number natin? Table number 2. Okay, so we have the first table number 9. Table number 2 will be the next one later on. Ang pangalan ng kanilang aso. Ang kanilang alagang aso. Okay, come on, dito. Yung gusto lumapit, ay, nako. Hindi ko in-expect na baka makakasunod nito, ha? But I'd like to ask your table number first. What table number are you? Okay, table number 1. Okay, please use your mic. Right now, I'd like to know the name of their pet. Ladies and gentlemen, how old are you? 10 years old. Gano'n naman alam na alam. You know the breed of their dog? It's a Shih Tzu, right? Oh yes, that's right. Thank you so much. Here's a gift from Emil and Charlotte. Thank you so much. Where they actually grew up. At kaya naman po, with great moments that we have to cherish tonight, I may have to ask all our guests, as we will now be welcoming the stars of the evening. Tumakit tayo amin apo. Let us all rise as we welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for their very first day as husband and wife. A big round of applause to the newlywed, Sir Emil and Eduardo. Ladies and gentlemen, to start her the parent and child dances, showing all her love para sa kanyang pinakamamahal na anak. Everybody, palakpakan po natin the mother and son dance by Emil and Antonita. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the father and daughter dance by Charlotte Maraming salamat, Engineer Arman. Yan ang productive open. Everybody, presenting the very first dance of Emil and Charlotte. Thank you so much for the set of songs. Bringing Joss and Mystic Band. And now, well, finally, Emil and Charlotte. Hi, guys. And in this case, ngayon na kumpleto pa mga bisita natin. Emil and Charlotte, your message.
And also, we would like to thank our parents na nag-support sa amin.
Also to our event host, Sir Ansher Tua. Thank you, sir, for coming all the way here from Norte for this 20. Thank you so much, sir.
Palakpakan naman po natin, Emil and Charlotte. Thank you so much for having us. And thank you so much then everybody for sparing your precious time para sa once in a lifetime occasion ng mag-asawa. Alright, everybody, thank you so much once again for witnessing some of the couple's great moments. But the program doesn't end there yet. We still have one last set of traditions to do. At hindi dapat ito nawawala sa isang kasal. Charlotte and Emil, nasa likuran nyo lang ako. Okay? And with that, let's proceed right away with your cake tradition, which is the sweetest part of this grand celebration. Now, as a practice, and I always ask this sa mga bisita natin, no? So please go straight ahead. At akong tatanungin ko po, ang parents ni Charlotte, ilang babies po ang gusto magkaroon sila? Ilan po ako? Ilan po na ako? Tatlo! Alright, Ma'am Juanita! And of course, yan, syempre naman mga daddy, Sir Miguel, kung kayo po tatanungin ilang ako ang gusto niyo po. Apat po, apat. So 3 plus 4, 7. Ay, okay. You know, the cake would symbolize blessings as well. So how many kids were you planning to have? Po? Dalawa lang po. Pasensya na. Dalawa lang daw po ang kaya muna nila. But whatever naman nila. Sige, as a practice, we'd like to ask, okay, the wife, Charlotte, please, since you hold the cake slicer. Yep, get that out. Okay, yeah. There you go. And then kindness is your lovely wife. Okay, come on, wait, Emil, please. There you go. Yeah, just keep it, and then I'll give you the Emil. Okay, it's more special. There you go. Everybody, let's all count up to 3. For the 2 kids you're planning to have. For more blessings, 1, 2, 3. Everybody, palakpakan naman natin ang couple. Charlotte, gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal mo kay Emil? Ipakita mo yan sa ipapakain mo na cake, please. Sandali. Konti lang, yung sakto-sakto lang. And you take a slice, yup. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, what a delightful moment for us to witness their very first meal together as husband and wife. Maraming salamat. Sige, kiss. Yan. Sige lang. Alright, thank you.
Let me just tell you briefly yung regarding dun sa proposal video ni Emil and ni Charlotte. So, we know Charlotte as being medyo micromanager. Gusto niya perfectionist. Gusto niya control niya lahat. Planado niya everything. So, even yung engagement...
Oo, hindi pa. Ano? Hindi pa! Okay, dahil dyan sakto-sakto na naman ang chance ito dahil matutunghayan natin siya. Alang-alang sa kanyang asawa. Okay? Music please. When it comes to you have to take things slowly. Take things gently. Likod ka muna, Emil. Likod ka lang muna. Kami muna ang sayawan mo. Ayan, sandali lang. Just a little bit. Ayan. And harap na ulit. Apat na lang konti. Yeah! Woo! This is why I'd like to ask every family that Team Charlotte, ano ang gagamitin ni Emil para tanggalin ang garter? Ano? Kailangan daw yung bibig. Alright? Particularly yung ngipin mo. Kaya naman pabibigyan natin sila. Emil! Ikaw na bahala. She's all yours. itaas yan. Iangat yan gamit ang ngipin. Go, Kim! Yes! Okay lang ba? Ay ba? Ha? Kamay! Kamay lang. Sige, kamay. 3, 2, 1, go. Dahan-dahan. Sige, dahil kamay yan, ay kuhain na lang kayo. Sige, konti pa, dahan-dahanin. Higher! Ang bago ng kaligayahan mo, Kim. Yeah, okay na yan. Alright, everybody, palakpakan naman natin, Kim and Harvey. Please, sabi po, huwag mo tatagalin yan. Huwag mo tatagalin. Saka mo na naman siya tatagalin pag ikakasal ka na. Okay, joke lang. Akalain mo, saktong nanalo sila kasi meron silang couples mod. Yeah, thank you so much. And before we finally end tonight's celebration and para sa utang opening na ating party, is there anything you'd like to add? Say a message or let the thing?
Thank you guys again for coming. So, alam ko, ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay nyo. So, let's party! Unlimited drinks for yan and maraming hard drinks.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,